Hi guys, it's Suzanne from True by Nature, and today I want to talk to you about why you don't like shampoo bars and give you some ideas of why they may not be working for you. In November 2022, I launched my line of hair care products. I just launched with 4 products, 2 of them shampoo bars. So I'm going to share with you a video of how to properly use a shampoo bar so that it works for your hair, because some of you may not be using it properly. Shampoo bars are really concentrated shampoos. They have actually pretty much the same ingredients that a liquid shampoo bar will have, minus all the water. But often a lot of the ingredients are in powder form. So for example, rather than using something like this aloe vera gel, which is in liquid form, you would use this aloe vera extract, which is really concentrated. You use that to make a shampoo bar. A shampoo bar is very different than a soap, obviously. And I'm not gonna get it too much into the technical of it. We've got a lot of information on our website if you do want to learn more about the technicalities and the differences between a soap bar and a shampoo bar. The other difference between a shampoo bar and a soap bar or detergents is that the ingredients are very different than the ones you would use for washing your dishes or washing your clothes, which brings me to topic number 1, the pH. In easy, non-techie terms, a pH stands for potential of hydrogen. So it's a scale that measures whether something is very alkaline or very acidic. Why does that matter? Because everything is measured in pH when it comes to cosmetics. So you have some ingredients that are high and alkaline and that are very low and acidic. Like apple cider vinegar, for example, is very acidic. What we do as formulators is make sure that the pH in your shampoo bars is perfect for your scalp and for your hair. As a certified formulator, I studied really hard. I took 2 diplomas, I took 3 certifications, and I'm a trichology student. It's really important to create something that is totally balanced for the scalp and for the hair. You need to properly dilute a shampoo bar. Shampoo bars are highly concentrated shampoos. Remember, they only have this much product, the rest is water, right? So you want to dilute them properly with a lot of water. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of how to properly use a shampoo bar because there is a bit of a technique to it. Here we go, let's watch. First thing you're going to do is wet your hair really well. You want your hair sopping wet, and you don't want to squeeze the water out of your hair like you've been doing. No. Then you're going to wet the bar and activate it until it begins to foam up a bit. Then you're going to glide the bar across the top of your hair like this. You're going to be wetting it in between glides. Then get underneath too, and don't make big circles or you're going to be knotting the hair as you wash. The hair length itself is going to be washed with whatever comes off when you rinse your scalp. You don't need to scrub and wash with a shampoo bar either. Then again, you're gonna rinse it off really well with lots of water. Remember, it's concentrated, so you want to rinse it off and be super gentle with it. In the case of our biphase shampoo bar, then you'll flip it around and use the white part, the conditioner part, to glide it onto your hair only and condition it. You don't need to put the conditioner part on your scalp. Your scalp doesn't need conditioning. This is just for the length of your hair. The conditioner part of your shampoo bar, if you're using a biphase like we do, or even if you're using a separate conditioner bar, the pH of the conditioner part really matters here because it's going to help and seal the cuticle in your hair and condition that. You don't want to use that on your scalp, otherwise your scalp will be greasy in like a day or 2. And then you're gonna rinse it off really well. Finally, it's true. Shampoo bars may not be for everybody. Some people have a hard time holding onto a shampoo bar, or because you just prefer a liquid shampoo. But this is the reason why we created our concentrated powdered shampoo. So this is another concentrated shampoo, but you would just sprinkle some of the powder into a cup, and then you add your water, then you mix it, and then you can wash with it. Want to learn more tips and tricks for hair? Make sure you follow, make sure you comment if you have questions about your hair, questions about shampoo bars, questions about liquid shampoos, questions that you're having issues with your hair. Any question you have about hair, post it below, comment, I'll get to all of them. So happy hair days, everybody. Bye-bye.